Hi. When it comes to mobile development, our biggest confusion starts whether to develop in this or this. How about both? As developers, when it comes to coding, we have these many options. But when it comes to performance, we have a winner. Flutter is Google's answer to the question that drives us insane: what to use. Since its launch in 2018, this framework has come a long way, and its future is lit as it looks to target desktop and web. So why miss the bus? Join us. 7 sessions, 11 days, 15 hours. That's all it takes to master Flutter with us. Still here? Go on and register. We are looking forward to seeing you. Best of luck.